So you
put some kerosene inside the burn pot in here.
Or Crystal Light, whatever you prefer. Kool-Aid.
Urine, whatever. Don't need to go nuts with it.
And in case you're keeping track at home, that pot is a genuine chamber pot.
Yes. Then we're going to prime it with some oil.
Can't see anything. That's a sight glass. It's going to light the oil on fire.
Let that drain down on in.
That goes this pipe. Pipe goes in here.
All the oil comes out.
That's where the magic happens. Now we're probably good. Now everything's on fire. Yep.
Yes.
That's gonna put you on fire now.
Why does it keep going out?
Too much in there? No, it's on fire in there.
Yeah, it needs to be more.
Let it get up to operating temperature.
Let that build up a little bit. You'll know when it's actually cooking when you hear the oil start to sizzle.
Like that?
Yeah, it's close. You want to get a good fire going before you turn on the blower.
It's good to bring it outside the pot like
That's
that.
fine.
That's when you know it's working.
Alright. Now I'm going to turn on the blower, which is going to inject air into there. Watch your face. That burn down a little bit. Then all you really need is a very, I'm going to let it empty out a little bit in there. I don't know if you can see it, it's shitty. But I'll get a flashlight so I can show you. You're only going to need a very small trickle of oil. That little bit of oil. You don't need a lot. The other thing you have to do is, go ahead. When it gets warm, all these lines will get warm, and that'll start feeding it a lot quicker. So you have to keep dialing it back. Generally, you want your oil flow to be a little bit thicker than the lead inside of a pencil. It doesn't take much.
Oh, it's throwing off like ridiculous heat.
Oh yeah.